Ukodrat sangma menteri rangba kejela hak kindetsni beladep ulalit Bangladesh hakate ke jinglai jong ulai kendu esibun ginong khai esibun ge sokar nang pata bani kren nak benta ban pniai ye ka khai pateng apdeng ka Meghalaya bat Bangladesh hakate ke jinglai jong sangma ulalai ruban jingo ye ke jakasa jong tir sing sim nyo kahima nong klau hadubun raklat hak patok thaka ngalo sibun gi wei pat ki jinglai jong sangma ulai kendu ye ke Sheikh Hasina ke menteri rang badu jong ke Bangladesh bat ulai kendu sibun gi nong khai hak ba kaladon ke jingpen khre nak betaban sedang ya ke jing ya khai pateng apeng ke India bat ke Bangladesh.
It was so nice of you to have done this. It means a lot to us, and he has been inspiration to our people and a real patriot. And all the people of our state really have a lot of respect. And we really thank you for giving us this opportunity. On behalf of the people of Meghalaya, I give my greetings and thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you very much for coming here and pay tribute to your hero. He's a hero of ours.
Thank you so much. This is our Forest and Education Minister, Minister of Education, Forest and Water Development.
মাথা পিট্টুলা শুরু